Hey there, folks. Jeff here with My Tennessee Home Solution. Today, I'm at a property in one of the best neighborhoods in all of Nashville, in the Creve Hall neighborhood. And this beauty behind us has so much potential, but it needs a lot of love. At one time, there was a fire in the home. There was some water damage because of that fire. And ultimately, it's been left in really, really rough condition. Thankfully, we were able to come in, meet with the sellers, come up with a fair cash price. And so we're buying the home as is with cash, making it quick and easy on the sellers. And we will be closing on this March 31st, or maybe even a little sooner. Beautiful home, currently a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, but it needs so much work that we're going to turn it into a brand new 4-bed, 2-bath, maybe even 4-bed, 3-bath when it's all said and done. So much potential. And so ultimately, we're going to take something that ultimately right now is not livable, and we'll make it a brand new, beautiful home for a new family to come in and enjoy. So if you too have a home, even if there's been fire damage, water damage, pests, whatever it is, we can come in, clean it up, make it look brand new, and give it new life. So if you have a home you're ready to sell, feel free to give us a call, My Tennessee Home Solution, and we'll talk to you real soon. Take care.